We have several novel workshops that are genre specific and some that are format specific as well. In April, we have a brand new workshop to the Highlights Foundation created by Nova Rensuma and Anna Marie McLemore called Making Magic. This is a novel workshop that is focused on fantastical and otherworldly stories, and it's perfect for intermediate writers who are looking for a good amount of feedback. You're going to receive up to 25 pages of feedback here. You're also going to receive feedback in different ways. You'll have a chance to meet one-to-one with your faculty mentors, and you'll have an opportunity to sit and work in some peer facilitated roundtable critiques as well. This could be for your novel in progress. This might be for breaking into a new genre, a great workshop to try. Suppose you're a little farther along in that otherworldly novel, that fantastical novel, then our whole novel retreat called Writing the Unreal might be for you. This workshop is for those who have finished their fantasy or speculative fiction novel and are ready for a whole novel review of the manuscript. This is an application-based workshop, and we offer it twice in 2020, once in May and once in October. For the May class, applications are due for this workshop by January 31st. So if you're seriously thinking, yes, my novel is finished, I've revised it myself, I need that guide at my side to lead me across the finish line, this would be the time to get that application together. In addition, we have science fiction middle grade novelists coming to us for Odyssey into middle grade science fiction. This is a new workshop as well, and it might be just right for those beginning in this genre. And even those who are slightly more advanced, there will be feedback based on your journey. And even if you're coming to it with just the idea phase, there'll be an opportunity for you to flesh out the world building and the character building that are a part of this genre. But suppose fantastical and speculative isn't for you. Perhaps working on contemporary novels feels just right. We do have, returning this year with a slight twist, our contemporary novels, sweet, sophisticated, and their storylines. It's focusing on what makes writing contemporary stories for teens ages 12 to 19 work. We did add a little bit more this year on plotting because last year we found at the group that we gathered a real need for talking more about plot structure. We also added this year, Debbie Machiko-Florence will be joining us and talking a little bit about that upper middle grade area and kind of into some of that younger YA because this teen audience really does span a large range, and how can you tell the difference in what you're writing? So we've added a little bit more to this workshop, and we're very excited about it. There are multiple opportunities for feedback, and it's perfect for people writing those contemporary stories. Our novels in verse workshops are perfect for those who are writing in this limiting yet limitless form. It does provide limitations as far as the structure itself of the novel in verse, but there are ways to still build that storyline. And all of our novel in verse offerings, we have 2 online and we have 1 retreat, will really be focused on how do you use this structure to the best of its abilities? How do you create that storyline to have a very effective and emotionally resonating novel in verse. Brand new also is a retreat this fall called Pushing the Limits, where we'll also talk about novels in verse, but we'll also be talking about graphic novels and stories in vignette and ways to play with form and with structure and chronology, ways to intertwine genres. This workshop is for novels that seem to break all of the rules, and it's just done in the best possible way. So we're excited about this new one and can see lots of great stories coming from this. We also have a workshop for novels as part of our Essential Conversation series. These include our Symposium for Jewish Literature, novelists on identity and story, as well as our Writing the Rainbow retreat for our LGBTQIA+ novel community, and our Latinx Writers, a working symposium. Both the Jewish Children's Literature Symposium and the Writing the Rainbow retreat are specific for novelists, while our Latinx program will cover picture books, nonfiction, and novels. All three of these will feature rich conversations about identity and community and craft.